और दूसरी खुशी ये है कि अब इस तरफ आए हो, जरा मज़ा आएगा, जरा पता चलेगा डायरेक्ट।
Gulzar sir, I will request for you to say a few words.
जी, मैं मुबारकबाद दे रहा हूँ उनको, जिन्होंने ये पहला पहला कदम उठाया है और बड़ी खूबसूरती से और हिम्मत से उठाया है और जोश व खरोश के साथ उठाया। मैं अच्छे अच्छे मेहमानों को बुलाया, आप सबको मुबारकबाद उनके साथ। और कैमरे के सामने जो कुछ इनसे करवाया जाता था, अब यहाँ इस बार डायरेक्टर बताएंगी कि अब हम आपके साथ क्या सलूक करने वाले हैं। आपने जो कुछ हमारे साथ किया हम सब वही करेंगे, है ना। तो मुबारकबाद फॉर यू, कोंकणा को मुबारकबाद क्योंकि उनकी पहली पिक्चर है और पहली डायरेक्शन है। तो आई विश हर ऑल द बेस्ट। और डायरेक्शन में आदमी अक्सर दुबला हो जाता है, पर इससे ज्यादा दुबला होने की जरूरत नहीं है। Go ahead with courage. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And Vishal sir, how does it feel? I mean, kids who have worked under you, learned under you, अब आपकी family extend हो रही है ना? And your kind of cinema, real cinema, promote करने के लिए दोनों निकले हैं। क्या कहना चाहते हैं sir?
Actually, we have all learned together. We have all grown together. It's not that कि इन्होंने मेरे अंडर सीखा, हम सब ने साथ में सीखा। मैं भी सीख रहा था जब ये सीख रहे थे, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है। कई सारी खुशियाँ, एक तो ये कि अपने पैरों पर खड़े हो रहे हैं। आई थिंक द ओनली वे टू मेक फिल्म्स इन दिस इंडस्ट्री इज बाय बिकमिंग ए प्रोड्यूसर। और दूसरी खुशी ये है कि अब इस तरफ आए हो, जरा मज़ा आएगा, जरा पता चलेगा डायरेक्टर्स क्या करते हैं।
बहुत अच्छी बात है। नहीं, मुझे अभिषेक ने कहा था कि विशाल जी के साथ काम करते हुए उन्होंने एक वार्निंग दी थी हमें, देखो सबसे पहले तुम लिखना सीखो, अगर डायरेक्टर बनना है तो लिखना सीखो तुम, यू मस्ट लर्न टू राइट। तो इसे जब हमने लिखना सीख लिया और डायरेक्टर हो गए तो फिर हमसे कहा अब तुम प्रोड्यूसर होना सीखो, वरना उसके बगैर ये काम पूरा नहीं होगा। एंड आई थिंक दे हैव द राइट काइंड ऑफ अ गाइड विद देम एंड दे हैव टेकन द राइट स्टेप्स।
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, sir.
So I'm very happy for both of them, and it's like my own production house, you know, they have made. And on top of that, I'm such a big fan of Coco. Look, everyone is saying that.
मैंने नहीं किया, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया।
No, I'm such a big fan of her, and I think she's the finest actor to have happened to us in our industry. And she has direction in her genes. She has a writer. Her father is such a prolific writer, and I'm so excited to watch your film, Coco. All the best.
All the best.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Come. Thanks a lot, sir.
I'm so thrilled and so excited to be here today, and it's so amazing that this is inspired from some childhood story that I've been hearing since I was 5 or 6 years old, and now it's so unbelievable that so many people are here because we're making that movie. It's unreal. The whole feeling is unreal, and Hani and Abhishek have been my guardian angels from the beginning, and studio, the iDreams has, come in with their support, and I'm just so happy because, I mean, it's not really necessarily a very conventional film in some ways. And the fact that Vishalji and Gulzar Saab are also here, it just gives me, a lot of moral support.
What is the difference you have seen between the actress Konkona and the director-writer Konkona?
No, I think as an actor, because she's such a fabulous actress, she understands what actors go through. So she's very gentle and empathetic and almost tender, I would say, which is a rare quality in a director. So I think I've known about the script for much longer than the rest of the guys. And I even when she had not thought about making a film, I had told her that she should, because she just has a fabulous eye. You should see some of the photographs that she takes. And I've always been looking forward to this. I didn't know I would be part of it, but I'm glad that she's finally directing.
You want me to say something? Okay. Of course, she's a fabulous actress, and I want to say, yeah. Well, he's expecting me to say something, so. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if there are any other adjectives that are left that I can use to describe how great an actress she is. But when we started working on this project, we started reading the script and discussing. You could see a tremendous amount of excitement. There was a childlike excitement in her. You know, she was like bubbling and bouncing all the time, and she was so excited just to meet. Oh, I'm so excited to meet you and all that. It's fantastic to just come across this sort of an energy, and it's quite infectious. So it was great doing the workshops, and we had a lot of fun and a lot of fooling around. But so really looking forward to the schedule and making the film together.